In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match multiple payments to one invoice in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring that every payment you receive is properly accounted for. Managing payments and invoices effectively helps maintain a clear picture of your business's financial health, making it easier for you to track income and manage cash flow. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the left panel on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, look for the Transactions tab. By clicking on this tab, you'll be taken to a range of financial options. From there, you're going to select Bank Transactions. This area provides a detailed list of all transactions that have been synced with your bank accounts, allowing you a comprehensive view of payments, withdrawals, and deposits related to your business. Once within the Bank Transactions section, your task is to find the payment that you want to match to an existing invoice. Carefully review the list of transactions and click on the specific payment. After selecting the appropriate payment, you'll see an option to match. Clicking on Match is your next step on this journey toward accurate financial record keeping. When prompted, a list of outstanding invoices will appear. These are the invoices for which payments are yet to be fully matched. Review this list thoughtfully and locate the invoice that corresponds with the payment you previously selected. To associate your payment with this invoice, simply check the box next to the desired invoice. Following this selection, you'll confirm the match by clicking on Match once again. This initial match is just part of the process if you have multiple payments for a single invoice. Now, proceed by selecting another transaction from your bank transactions list. Once again, click on this payment to bring up the familiar option and click on Match. Just as you did before, you'll revisit the list of invoices that appears. Locate the same invoice which the first payment was matched to, ensuring that all associated payments are being credited to the right billable record. Click on Batch. Match once more, thereby linking this transaction to the same invoice. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently match multiple payments to a single invoice in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you maintain precise financial oversight, ensuring your records reflect true business transactions. Keep practicing these steps to get more comfortable with the process, and soon, matching payments to invoices will become second nature. Your diligence in maintaining accuracy is key to successful financial management in your business.